everybody, I'm Kai, and today we are unboxing Series 1 L.o.l. Surprise. Older sister, I'm sure. It was a while since we bought this, so I'm not sure if this is a little sister. Oh, here is the thing. So, flame and bags. So,
I can't see. You're too fast. Okay.
So, it's Hot Stuff, that's her name. I don't know why they'd name it Hot Stuff. That's kind of weird. Crinkling's always loud. Right. Get this. Okay. Second. Okay, so these are the stickers. It doesn't actually say what she does.
Nobody can see it when you're just jamming it up and back real quick.
These are the stickers. It doesn't exactly say what she does. It's just symptoms that they can do. So, yeah, loud crinkling. So, let me find the... Okay, here's the zipper. We got this color. Okay, what do we have? I think this is, yeah, it's definitely an accessory. And we have the little charm slash bottle. It looks so cute. This is probably the stuff of her name. Yeah, I don't know why I made that pun. Here is another accessory. I think this is her shoes. Let's open. Yep, it's her shoes. She has very cute fashion show shoes. She is so cute. She is so cute. She looks like...
I can't see up at your head. I'm way down low.
Okay, it seems like she is a cowboy. A cowgirl? I don't know why I said boy. So, now let's get the dress. If I can get this open. Okay. Yeah, she's open to tell. I'm not good with these packages. And boop. And yeah, she has a cute little leotard. I think I know which one this is. I think I can assume her hair. Like, why did I show that plastic inside the dress? Okay, I think her hair is gonna be white. I think she's gonna be and everything explodes. This feels like a lot of things. Oh my god! She's cute. She has sparkly hair and sparkly eyes. She has the sparkly hair got into her eyes. That must be painful. Don't put glitter in your eyes. It's gonna hurt. Oh, what? They sealed that part of the dress. Oh crap. Oh, they sealed the part of the dress. Oh. I got it. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. If you get the dress and the sleeve or something is like glued together, that you just have to rip that apart. So it doesn't take much force. It's just plastic. Then plastic. So yeah, she has that. She's gonna put on her shoes. I'm gonna put on her shoes that look super cute. Let's force that. Whee! She has a bottle. There's the checklist. I didn't get what she was supposed to do. The instruction pamphlet. And accessories. She has glasses. those on her face. Not sure if these will fit. Okay, I'm not gonna force it. Yeah, I'll just. Okay. Now, oh, here is the. Okay. The package that it comes in, it is also like a little home / carrier. This you can attach and put on. Your L.o.l doll can stand on the top. It can roam around in here, and you can put its bottle. You can snap that in on the side there. So, yeah. This is hot stuff. Yay! So, yeah, I can't tell if she. So, that's it. Bye! See you next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.